Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What to know about norovirus as Bay Area holiday gatherings ramp up. Norovirus, a highly contagious stomach bug that causes vomiting and diarrhea, is on the rise in the Bay Area during the autumn and winter months. A new and more contagious strain of the virus, G.17, emerged last year and is now the dominant strain, leading to more outbreaks. Wastewater testing in Silicon Valley, San Francisco, and Vallejo shows high concentrations of the virus, but public health officials say the current levels are not as high as a peak last winter. Norovirus spreads easily through contaminated hands, surfaces, food, or water, and can make someone sick with just 5 to 10 viral particles. Handwashing is one of the best prevention methods. If infected, it's important to stay hydrated, as the virus can lead to dangerous dehydration, especially in infants and older adults. Symptoms typically last 1 to 3 days. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.